Social media over the weekend turned into a complete fiasco after the announcement of the FHFA's new loan level price adjustments that are going to be in effect May 1st. A lot of misinformation was spread out there, and people seemingly overnight started talking about this new unfair tax on mortgage borrowers with higher credit scores. And some go as far as saying that borrowers with a 620 FICO get a 1.75 fee discount, and 740 FICOs pay a 1% fee. And basically, there was a lot of posting and stuff, and the media really didn't contribute to telling the facts or dive deeper into any of this, really. All that you heard was that from now on, borrowers with high credit scores are going to have worse interest rates than borrowers with low credit scores. And that isn't exactly the case. So I want to just kind of dive into a little bit of the facts behind these changes so that you'll get an understanding of it and realize that for the majority of transactions, this really won't have an effect on them. So basically what Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac did is they made adjustments to what's called loan level price adjustments, which basically is, in the past, there are pricing hits for certain loan attributes, one of them being credit score and another one being the down payment. So in the past, borrowers with 660, 640 credit scores would have to pay a big premium to get the same rate, more or less, as a borrower with a higher credit score. So really what they did is they lowered the fee for the lower credit scores to enable them to more or less get the same interest rate as a high credit score borrower who doesn't pay a fee. So no instance will a borrower with a high credit score pay the same amount in fees to get the same interest rate as a borrower with a low credit score. And one thing that a lot of people aren't really talking about is that these changes only affect conventional loans, so loans that get sold to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. They don't impact government loans like FHA, VA, USDA, which the majority of borrowers who have a credit score of 660 to 680 or lower are going to go with an FHA loan because the interest rates will be better, as well as the mortgage insurance will be lower for those credit scores. So really the impact is a lot of talk, but in reality, it really won't, be that disparate for what, it seems like. I disagree with some of the policy changes, that are going to be in place. I don't think that it's solid risk management, but no one really cares what I have to say. So I hope that helped kind of clear up a little bit, of the madness around this issue, and realize that it really won't impact the majority of transactions. And most lenders have already priced into these changes months ago ahead of these announcements. So if you need any further clarification or anything, or have any questions, feel free to comment, shoot me a message, call, text, and happy to help.